In today's digital era, cybersecurity is a hot button topic. It's also a field with a massive demand for professionals. Cybersecurity has emerged as a critical field in today's technology driven world. As digital reliance grows for businesses and governments, the demand for cybersecurity experts has skyrocketed. For those considering a cybersecurity degree, finding the best university is crucial for a comprehensive education and a successful career. In this video, we will explore the world's top university for cybersecurity. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, stands out as the best university for cybersecurity globally. Its Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, CSAIL, is a renowned research center with a strong focus on cybersecurity. MIT's program embraces interdisciplinarity involving faculty from computer science, electrical engineering, public policy, and more. MIT Cybersecurity Program boasts exceptional faculty and offers students access to cutting-edge research facilities and technology. The Cybersecurity and Internet Policy Research Initiative (CIPRI), a research center within MIT, addresses cybersecurity policy issues. Additionally, the MIT Lincoln Laboratory, a federally funded research and development center, provides hands-on experience in tackling real-world cybersecurity challenges. Other top universities for cybersecurity include Stanford University in California, Carnegie Mellon University in Pennsylvania, and the University of Cambridge. Each of these institutions offer a comprehensive cybersecurity curriculum, outstanding faculty, and access to the state-of-the-art research facilities. As the importance of cybersecurity continues to grow, these universities provide invaluable opportunities to shape the future of cybersecurity and make a significant impact in the digital landscape. But where do you start if you are considering a career in this exciting and ever evolving industry? Right here. In this video, we will introduce you to the best universities for cybersecurity in the USA, United States of America. Let's jump right in. Here are the 5 universities known for their exceptional university programs. And the number 1 on the list is Carnegie Mellon University, that is located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. CMU is renowned for its excellence in cybersecurity education. The Information Networking Institute (INI) at CMU offers top-notch programs in information security and cybersecurity, including master's and PhD degrees. The programs cover a wide range of cybersecurity topics from cryptography and network security to digital forensics and incident response. CMU's strength lies in its strong focus on practical application and hands-on learning. The university is home to the CERT division, a world-leading cybersecurity research center that plays a crucial role in advancing the field. And number 2 on the list is Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, that is based in Cambridge, Massachusetts. It's a world-renowned institution known for cutting-edge research and innovation. Its comprehensive cybersecurity program is offered through the Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, CSAIL, a premier research center in the AI and cybersecurity domains. Students at MIT gain a solid foundation in cybersecurity concepts while also benefiting from the intersection of technology and management through the Sloan School of Management specialized program in information technology and management. This multidisciplinary approach prepares graduates to excel in various aspects of cybersecurity, from technical implementation to strategic decision making. And here, Simplilearn brings you the course in collaboration with MIT that presents an incredible opportunity to upskill in the field of cybersecurity. Our postgraduate program in cybersecurity is designed to equip you with the expertise needed to thrive in this rapidly growing industry. Through this partnership with MIT Schwarzman College of Computing, you will gain access to world-class resources and top-notch faculty, ensuring a cutting-edge learning experience. And why should you choose this program? So the number 1 reason is MIT Thought Leaders. You will attend live master classes delivered by distinguished MIT faculty, learning from the best minds in the field. The next is EC Council benefits. You will gain exclusive access to learning kits, exam vouchers, and modules from EC Council, a leading authority in cybersecurity education. Then MIT CSAIL community. You will become the part of the MIT CSAIL professional programs community and engage with like-minded peers and experts. Then we have industry case studies. You will gain practical insights from 4 real-world industry case studies led by MIT professors. Don't miss this opportunity to upskill with the best. Enroll in our postgraduate program in cybersecurity and propel your career to new heights with Simplilearn and MIT's combined expertise. Secure your future in the dynamic world of cybersecurity today. And now, number 3 on the list is Stanford University, that is located in Silicon Valley and is at the heart of technology and innovation. Stanford's cybersecurity programs are part of its computer science department, offering master's and PhD degrees with a specialization in cybersecurity. Stanford's focus on research and innovation is evident through its pioneering work in areas like cryptography and secure systems. Additionally, the Center for International Security and Cooperation (CISAC) at Stanford conducts valuable research on cybersecurity policy, bridging the gap between technology and policy considerations. And the number 4 on the list is Georgia Institute of Technology, Georgia Tech, that is situated in Atlanta, Georgia, that boasts a robust cybersecurity program with a variety of degree options. Students can pursue master's and PhD degrees in cybersecurity or a specialized master's in cybersecurity and privacy. Georgia Tech's Institute of Information Security and Privacy, IISP, is actively engaged in cutting-edge research across various cybersecurity domains. The university's strong emphasis on research and collaboration with industry partners creates ample opportunities for students to engage in real-world projects. And now, number 5 on the list is University of California, Berkeley. UC Berkeley, that is located in San Francisco Bay Area, offers a range of cybersecurity programs through its computer science department. Students can pursue master's and PhD degrees with a focus on cybersecurity, gaining a comprehensive understanding of various cybersecurity challenges. UC Berkeley Center for Long-Term Cybersecurity (CLTC) conducts research on the societal impact of cybersecurity, emphasizing the broader implications of technological advancements in the field. And these universities stand out for their commitment to excellence in cybersecurity education and research. Each institution offers unique strengths and opportunities, ensuring that students receive a well-rounded education and preparation for successful careers in the dynamic and ever-evolving field of cybersecurity. These universities have consistently demonstrated excellence in cybersecurity education and research, making them attractive choices for students aspiring to build a successful career in this dynamic field. So there you have it, the top 5 universities for cybersecurity in the USA. These schools provide an excellent start for anyone looking to make a splash in the cybersecurity field. And this was all for this tutorial. Hope you guys found it informative and helpful. Now let's take a minute to hear from our learners who have experienced massive success in their careers by opting for the Simplilearn's postgraduate program that is in collaboration with MIT Schwarzman College of Computing.
Hi, I'm Philip. I'm 61 years old, and last year I upskilled with Simplilearn's postgraduate program in cybersecurity after working 30 years in the IT sector in various different profiles. I'm happy to tell you that I was able to clear and pass my CISSP and CCSP certification exams on the first attempt after taking the course. The course, I must say, was packed with practical examples. It was led by highly skilled certified instructors. I worked with many companies before as a security analyst and architect on a contract basis, but I needed some stability, which I got with the job I just started with Infosys as a cybersecurity consultant. It happened after I took the course. But first and foremost, I've been a learner. Be a learner first.
And if you like this session, then like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, then you can drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.